Hey guys, I just wanted to share about this dump truck. It's basically like a stuffed animal or pillow. My son has been into trucks majorly recently. He loves taking them to bed for a nap time or a bedtime with them, but they tend to stab him and stuff, so we decided to look for something else, and I found this, and it is such a great option. It's so soft and plush, so comfy. He fell asleep hugging it last night, so I think it was a hit with him. We definitely love it. It's definitely worth the price. Check it out.